Welcome to Camping in the Amazon, where we have $100 to spend, and we're going to last 24 hours in the most extreme conditions possible. We're going from 40 degrees all the way up to 90. Check it out.
24 hours?
Gosh, it is so hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are. So I'm done. Wow. Oh.
So I brought Reynolds wrap, heavy duty foil. What am I going to cook in this, you ask? I'm going to get some kahiki beef and broccoli. I'm just going to lump it in some foil, dump it, lump it, and throw it in the fire and hope that I don't get food poisoning.
Beef stew, baby. It was, if we were regular camping, I just would have made beef stew anyway. So beef stew, the obligatory, it's always under season, so black pepper, my favorite of all things in the universe. And then King's Hawaiian sweet rolls to dip into my beef stew until it is all gone. That's it. Oh yes, and something. Oh my heaven!
What is this sauce?
Don't know.
Hey Ryan, I noticed that you bought a prune saw.
Yeah.
You could just eat those whole. I wanted to make from scratch. Well, I wanted to make a beef teriyaki beef stir fry.
Use the clubs.
Are you freaking kidding me? That looks outstanding. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He won.
Mm-hmm. You didn't start yet.
That food looks pretty good.